Hi children, good morning Nana, welcome to Maths class. How are you? I hope you all are fine and good at home. Okay, so in last class we completed the divisibility rule by 11. Come on, tell me children, what is the divisibility by 11? And we completed that exercise 3.2 also Nana. Tell me Nana, what is the divisibility by 11? Yes, the difference between the sum of the digits at the odd places and the sum of the digits at the even place is either 0 or multiple of 11. Okay Nana, I repeat again, a given number is divisible by 11 if the difference between the sum of the digits at odd places and the sum of the digits at the even places is either 0 or 11, then the given number is divisible by 11. So we completed exercise 3.2 problems also Nana. So today I am going to explain about the factors. So already you have learnt in the previous class, 5th class Nana. Okay, tell me, do you remember it? What is a factor? Yes, a number which divides the given number without leaving a remainder. Okay, let us take 6. 6 is divisible by 2. 2 3s are 6. Without leaving remainder means the remainder equal to 0. Okay Nana? So the number which divides the given number without leaving remainder is called the factor of that number. Here 2 is the factor of 6. 2 is the factor of 6. Okay ma? Let us take one more number. So 5 2s are 10. Gives the remainder 0. Here the number 10 is divided by 5 without leaving remainder. So here 5 is a factor of 10. 5 is a factor of 10. Come on, tell me children. Now all of you open your maths classwork Nana, and 1 is the factor of every number Nana. Okay, 1 is the factor of every number and every number is also a factor of itself. Okay, I will explain now. And see Nana, all of you open classwork and page number 33 in the textbook. My dear children, open your classwork and maths textbook page number 33. See here how I will write the factors of 6. So here they are arranging the balls like this Nana. First. So each row they keep one ball, then 6 rows. So here we will write 6 ones and 6. Now I will arrange the 6 balls in 3 rows. See children. I said ball no Nana. So how can I arrange the 6 balls? I keep 2 balls in each row. Row means this one Nana. Okay. So 3 rows, 2 balls. So we can write 3 2s and 6. Okay. And next 3 balls in each row. 3 balls in each row. I can arrange the 6 balls like this. 3 balls each row. I arranged the 6 balls in 2 rows. So we'll write 2 into 3. 2 3s are 6. Okay ma? And I'll keep like this also. One row only I'll keep 6 balls. So 1 into 6. Okay, so I can write that 6 factors like this Nana. 6 1s are 6, 3 2s are 6, 2 3s are 6, 1 6 are 6. Okay ma, so these are called the factors of 6. Don't write this one in your classwork children. Just you have to listen. Okay ma. And next one. And 1 is the factor of every number and it is the smallest factor Nana. So 1 is the factor of every number and it is the smallest factor and the number itself is another factor. So it is the greatest factor. Okay. Now all of you open your maths classwork children and keep side heading factors. Write neatly Nana. Write neatly in your classwork. A number which divides the other number without leaving a remainder is called the factor of the given number, is called the factor of the number. Write neatly in your classwork, children. A number which divides the other number without leaving a remainder is called the factor of the given number. Okay, Nana? And 1 is a factor of every number. Some points I will give. 1 is a factor of every number, and it is the smallest factor. Okay, ma? And the number itself is also, see Nana, 1 is a factor of every number and is the smallest factor of all. Next, every number is a factor of itself. All of you write neatly in your classwork, Nana. Every number is a factor of itself. Factor of itself and is the greatest of all its factors. Okay, Nana? Next, third point. Every factor is less than or equal to the given number. Less than or equal to the given number. Okay. And the fourth point is numbers of factor. That means number of factors are countable. Number of factors of a given number is countable. Okay, ma? So a number which divides the other number without leaving a remainder is called the factor of the given number, Nana. 1 is a factor of every number and it is the smallest factor of all its factors of the given number. Okay, ma? If every number is a factor of itself and it is the greatest of its all factors, and every factor is less than or equal to the given number, and number of factors of a given number is countable. We can count how many factors are there for that number. Okay, children, note down in your classwork, Nana. Now I will show you that how to write the factors. Note down in your classwork. Okay, ma? Next. Write the factors of 6, factors of 6, 12, 18, 20, 24. See here children 6. I will write the factors like this. 1 6 are 6. Next 2 table. 2 3s are 6. Next 3 tables reverse came Nana. So you have to stop it and take as in U shape. So factors equal to 1, 2, 3, 6. Here see children 1 is the factor of every number and the number itself is also another factor of the given number. It is the smallest factor and it is the greatest factor. So the factors are equal to the number or less than the number. See here 1, 2, 3 these are less than 6 and 6 is also equal to 6. Is it clear? And now 12. Give some gap and write Nana. 1 12s are 12. 2 6s are 12. 3 4s are 12. 4 3s are 12. So if the reverse came, you have to stop it and take in U shape. So write down factors 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 12. Okay. So these are the factors of the given number 12. 1 is a factor of every number and 12 is also, the number itself is another factor. Okay ma? It is the smallest factor of all and it is the greatest factor of the given number. And next one 18. 1 18s are 18. 2 9s are 18. 3 6 are 18. And 4 not there, 5 not came, 6 already came, so that you stop and write. So factors 1, 2, 3, 6, 9, 18. And next one 20. 1 22s are 20. So 2 10s are 20. 4 5s are 20. 5 4s are reverse came, so you stop and write. Come on, tell me the factors, Nana. Yes, 1, 2, 4, 5, 10, 20. Smallest factor is 1, greatest factor is 20. Okay? And now 24. 1 24s are 24. 2 12s are. So 2 12s are or 12 2s are 24. 3 8s are 24. 4 6s are 24. And 6 4s are also 24. So reverse came. So you stop it and write the factors in U shape. Tell me the factors. Can you see the board, children? Okay, ma. Factors 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 8, 12, 24. Okay, ma? 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 8, 12, 24. As note down in your classwork, Nana. Okay, ma? Shall we go to the next one? Check your progress. Page number 34, check your progress. So if you are not complete in time, just pause the video and write the classwork neatly, ma. Okay? Check your progress. So first question, find the factors of 60. How to write the factors of 60? Take it, Nana. So start from one table, 160 is a 60. Next 2 table, 0 comes. Already you learned the divisibility rules, Nana. If 0 is there in the units place, it is divisible by 2. So 2 3s are 6 and keep 0. That means 2 30s are 60. And next 3, 6 plus 0, 6. Sum of the digits is divisible by 3, then the given number is divisible by 3. So 6 plus 0, 6. So it is divisible by 3. Come on, 3 table. 3 2s are 6 and 0. Now 4 table. The last two digits are divisible by 4, then the given number. Here 60 is given, Nana. You check it side. 4 ones are 4, 2, take down 0. 4 5s are 20. You do this division in rough side, then it is, we get 0 as a reminder. So it is a factor of 60. Now 5 table. You know that very well, 5 table. If 0 or 5 is there, it is divisible by 5. How many times we get 60? Yes, very good. 5 12s are 60. And next 6. 6 10s are 60. Next 7. In 7 table, we don't get 60. 8 table not there. 9 table not there. 10 already came. So when the table reverse, you stop up to there and take as a U shape. Okay, come on, tell me the factors, Nana. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 10, 12, 15, 20, 30, 60, finish. Note down in your classwork, Nana. And write the second question by seeing the textbook. Okay, second one, Seema. Do all the factors of a given number divide the number exactly find the factors of 30 and verify by division. See children, what is the factor definition, Nana? When the number is a number which divides the given number without leaving any remainder. Okay, so that it is said to be the factor of that number. Okay, so what is given here? Do all the factors of a given number divide the number exactly? Yes. Yes, all the factors of the given number divide the number exactly. Okay, now we have to write these factors of 30 and we will verify this, whether the statement is correct or wrong. Okay, Nana? Write down. First question, do all the factors of a given number? Yes, all the factors of a given number divide the number exactly. Okay, now we find the factors of 30. Factors of 30. See, Nana? 130s are 30. 2 table, yes, it coming. 2 15s are 30. 3 10s are 30. And 4 table. 3 not divisible by in 4 table, Nana. Next 5. 5 6 are 30. 6 5s are 30. Reverse came so that you stop and take the factors. Okay. So factors, here you will write 30. Down we will write factors of 30. So factors of 30, 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 10, 15, 30. Okay, ma? So these are the factors of 30. Now what they are asking the question? Verify by division. Verify by division. Now we check by division, Nana. So verifying. So we'll write check by division. We will check by division. See ma, here 130s are one table, that factor. See ma, 130s are 1 3s are 3 0, 1 zeros are 0. Finish. Yes, it gives the remainder 0. In 2 table we will check it. So 2 1s are 2, 1 0, 2 5s are 10. Yes, we will get the remainder 0. And 3 table 30. 3 1s are 3, 0, take down 0, 3 zeros are 0. And next 5 table. 5 6 are 30. Next 6 table. 6 5s are 30. Yes, it gives the remainder 0. 10 table. 10 3s are 30. Yes, it gives the remainder 0. Next 15 table. 15 table. 15 2s are 30. Next 30 table. Yes, 30 1s are 30. Now we checked all this one by doing division. Yes, in all divisions we will get the 0 as a remainder. So these are all the factors of the given number 30. Okay ma? Yes, write down. So in all the above divisions, we get the remainder 0. So these are all the factors of the given number. Okay ma? We will write that conclusion, Nana, but the space is not there. I will write side up. I will write here, Nana, this sentence. In all divisions, in all the divisions, we get 0 as remainder. So these are the factors of the given number. So write up to here, Nana. So this conclusion, Nana, I write here. Okay. Let's write down. Next. Third one, 3 is a factor of 15 and 24. 15 and 24 is 3 a factor of their difference also. Of their difference also. See, Nana, what is given in the problem? 3 is a factor of 15 and 24. Yes. Why? Because in 3 table you will get 15. 3 5s are 15. 3 8s are 24. So that 3 is a factor of these two numbers. So we will write 3 is a factor of 15 and 24. Now what they are asking, is 3 a factor of the difference? Okay, the difference. Now we find the difference between 15 and 24 equal to. Difference means what do you do, children? Plus or minus? Yes, minus. So 24 minus 15 equal to 9. Yes, 3 is a factor of 9 also. Okay, in 3 table we will get 9, no? So 3 is a factor of 9 also. Okay, ma? Yes, 3 is a factor of 9 also. Okay. Next number, Nana. Sorry, that one completed, Nana. And next concept is the perfect number. Okay, ma? Next. Perfect number. What is meant by perfect number? So the sum of a number for which the sum of its factor is equal to twice of the given number. So first we find the factors, Nana, and the sum of that factors is equal to twice of that number. Then it is said to be a perfect number. Is it clear to you, Nana? I will explain by taking one number. Okay, ma? First you write this one. What is meant by perfect number? A number for which the sum of its factors sum of all its factors, Nana. Sum of all its factors is equal to twice of the number. Twice the number is called a perfect number. So what is meant by perfect number, children? The sum of its factors, the sum of all its factor is equal to twice the number. Then it is said to be a perfect number. Let us take one example. Example 6. First we will write the factors of 6. 1 6 are 6. 2 3s are 6. Okay, so the factors equal to 1 2 3 6. Now we will find the sum of all the factors. Sum of all the factors. 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 6. 1 plus 2, 3. 3 plus 3, 6. 6 plus 6, 12. So we can write the 12 as 2 into 6. See ma, this is the number. this equal to twice the number, no? Twice means you should multiply by 2, Nana. So the 12 is equal to twice the number. 2 6 are 12. So we can write the 12 as 2. We can write the 12 as 2 into 6. Okay. That means 2 into number. 2 into the number. Okay, ma? So 12 we can write as 2 into 6. 2 into the number means this. Okay. So the sum of all the factors is equal to twice the number. Then it is said to be a perfect number. Here 12 can be written as 2 into 6. Twice means you should multiply by 2, Nana. Okay. 2 into 6. So 2 into the number. So here 12 is a perfect number. Therefore 12 is a perfect number. Sorry, 6 is a perfect number. Finish. Okay, ma? Why? Because the sum of the factors is equal to twice the number. The sum of the factors is 12. It is equal to twice the number. Twice means you should multiply by 2. 2 6 are. Okay. So it's a perfect number. Finish. Next. What is given, Nana? Now what they are asking the question? Is 15 a perfect number? So they are asking, Nana, one question. 15 a perfect number? We will check it. Next. Write my next one. Is 15 a perfect number? Is 15 a perfect number? Now we will check it, Nana. So first we will write the factors of 15. 1 15s are 15. 3 5s are 15. 5 3s are 15. So you stop it and write factors. 1 3 5 15. Now we find the sum of the factors. Sum of the factors equal to 1 plus 3 plus 5 plus 15. So 1 plus 3 4, 4 plus 5 9, 9 plus 15 24. So can you write the 24 is the twice of this number? So twice this number, Nana. Twice means you should multiply the number by 2. 15 2s are 30. Is it equal to this sum? No. So here 24 is not equal to 2 times 2 into 15. Okay. Is it clear to you, children? The sum is not equal to twice the number. So therefore the sum of, we will write that only. The sum of the factors is not equal to twice the number. Not equal to twice the number. So it is not a perfect number. It is not a perfect number. Is it clear to you, children? Is a 15 perfect number? How can we check it? First we will write the factors of the given number. Now we find the sum of the factors. But the sum of the factors is 24, but it's not equal to twice the number. Okay, so that it is not a perfect number. Note down in your classwork, ma. See children, so in today's class what we discussed, Nana, what is a factor? Come on, tell me. I revise all the points what we discussed in the today's class. A number which divides the given number without leaving a remainder is called a factor of that number, and one is a factor of every number and it is the smallest factor of the all. Okay, and the number itself is also another factor of the given number, so it is the greatest factor, isn't it? So the factors are countable and the factors are always less than or equal to the given number. Okay, Nana? And we completed the check your progress also. And what is meant by perfect number? Yes, the sum of the factors of the given number is equal to twice the given number, then that is said to be a perfect number. Okay, so I hope you understand the today's class, children. So write neatly the classwork without mistakes. If you have any doubt, you call to me, I will explain, Nana. Okay, but you have to maintain the classwork regularly, Nana, with good handwriting without mistakes. Okay, bye children, take care of yourself, ma.